Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan. Why na ADC view? So be flag bearer. Now waiting to be president of Ghana. Who is deceiving you? Who is deceiving you? So be Timia be president of Ghana. Why na ADC view? It has been alleged say Unkofobi tries and come attack Reverend Tim Fojo. That was sent out. And I'm very sure some people want to news now. Now, some NPP youths has a message for Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Our message now I'm from Brel. So would see a message Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and in the followers no one from Munyan Sambetie. Some would see we na some say so we year Juma nas to move a visa away now. Now, you go to message Nagana for NPP youth no. And what they ma Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Japan. You go to Mbra Ghana and Sam TV. Meaning I'm just so any promise for Facebook. Promise the blogger. Blogger no BL no O no umiaswa. Ebeba o na do to so me yes. And now be you so. Na GGE no. We are there also. No follow me on Facebook. Na me fa more stories say and bring e wo no. Afei, nyemo we go tie nsem Ghana for e wo dem Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Japan. Former member of parliament. E dem Asen Central. Any Asen for so Bill Gates.
NPP from Penifo. It's the Mocha Macan in Japan. Or they buy NPP. Muntiminka. As a papano. Oh, yeah, Nebo Swadi or pen. Because Oscar. No, Mamma Rancheska. I have video be a. I say. A for company say. Dr. Baumia. Campa way or bow. MP on a Baumianam. Canada Japan call for. Aqua attacking. Eti Kennedy Agyapong e dey fa so pa no won so ma NPP a ase ya papa jase kwadua ene NPP leaders moto a mo hwe Kennedy Agyapong motimi kana asema aso e kokoti bi na timu a mo hwe Kennedy Agyapong betimi de NPP adu ba bi a mo ya mo na say NPP mo da ache sana ya mo bi ya di mo che o ya boa mo party ni ba power ye nya hwe o Kennedy Agyapong ya option ma NPP. And so I said, most of the son wouldn't say for the sick or won't. I didn't think about me a compare or quite attacking because I say, what the car say, yes, I better attack most a north. What you are central, I was south, yes, I better attack more north, any central. And power, yes, answer Muno. It's all your people in our transit. Now check second Japan. One of it's ready, I win in this election. There's any back wagging of a bow. Kennedy Agyapong your option. Ultimately, so on your option, Emma NPP. I better than Kennedy Agyapong option. Muamucha NDC, our power. Yellow City, ya Kwaji City, Kennedy Agyapong ya Kwaji City. NDC, our power. Nasa ya kwa to abagana for humba umiawi. Kennedy Agyapong no, e fason one so. Our man this opportunity amusu so. Gasin kwadua. Muntimi ka Kennedy asem. Oyansan funa abronya kwaka. Mose ana abronya ani abetwena so wa abra Kennedy Agyapong sanfo wodi wa party mutimika ye mu bi ye nkwa se mutimika e be ka kire no ensanfo no wodi no woni sika no de show bia party no ye mu bi e Ghana ni bia timi na koma join party no enye ono ko a onti ase no nya ensanfo no wodi no na mutimika nche Kennedy o di Kennedy Agyapong ni ba omi agina wa wan na ni mo nya mo na ni mo a Ghana fokotwa nso to abama no one and any monyam. Na won sem bebrebe Kennedy Agyapong won sem bebrebe ba o mia kwan disi fo so munya bi kai. Ah musuro na Kennedy Agyapong na musuro. NPP for mata. Muso Kennedy Agyapong so. E de mo ko position. Mo di agro ba ko position more than 20 years because Kennedy Agyapong your option. Mo fa ba o mia ko na win election Israel. Mo di Kennedy Agyapong tete abrabo. Mudi Kennedy Agyapong atete abrabo. Enti mo NDC NPP pen for mo twa Kennedy Agyapong option ma NDC. What my preposition kura no the NDC for ne ye. Now what mudi ne ba preposition. So NPP mo anyo obi ani anim say Kennedy Agyapong because always ka. Mo adwene wo form NPP form pen for ne bi. Mo adwene e wo form mo mudi Kennedy achi. Mo adwene wo form. Me da mesre ya papa jase kodua. Any NPP leaders no Kennedy ya bibia monkan no ogu party na nimase wa say party na mama opposition mo so no so why Say ni pa ya na ma life free party nim. Asa wo ma so nim odi kwa bia na no aka chem say party won film so betete mo e na pa otete mo. Ada MPP ni panyini bia ni mana. Panyini bia ni mani pa wa komusuro no. Panyini bia ni mani pa wa komusuro no. Ene wadi ni sika control. Yesi sika ya de nyina ene on fa no nkodi president. Se sika ya de nyina mo ni MPP on fa no ese ni sika ti Ghana for until the party no nkodi president. No nya sa fu na wodi no wa go party no ni mase. Adwen boni an se kuni adwen boni ayo papa we se wo mo bi nko ebe ko god yan ko Ghana se ba o mi abedi party no abedi president che obese ye image and so obese party no e da achi oni adwen papa mutiri kan ya yankra ni bi ya ye dimachi amfa so bia ni suma ye o MPP mo ma power ye free kasa ma kofo tam ye di MPP echi no obi ama ye dwuma kra nya ne ye to kwan edwuma obi ama ye bi nyai wono oye se obo babo yutu no na mini na chi na mimi kanya pochi e dey afa so na wono so enya atamni die ne edidi ana ni je won e dey afa so na so o friend fo kra won fa o friend no no ka se kokko ne edidi ba omi atam nti wapam kokko na fra dwuma wono mu enya sanfo no wodi kira ba omi ana enya sanfo no wodi kira ba omi ana ne yire enya sanfo no wodi kira mo MPP for penny for mutimi kana asem yan kwan bi de wasi wo se musuo papa no ya be kra dwa che obeku yankuyan wato ne ka so obi ka so ko amesore oso onkuri pa nti obeku yankuyan no kana dwa obi anya ne hwe o kana dwa ga na obi anya ne hwe odidi atem obi anya ne hwe o kan sanfo obi anya ne hwe o din ko fo ira tema na yire oba fo ne to a on ka hwe nti be di na tem mona mutimi office mutimi kana sema ya be enti office ya be kana sem ensanfo no odi no party o wo so de tie party ni sa enu tina no ye mehia ma sa free na chi no party ono wo atwen boni no ofre zoom no ne ko for ya meeting no ko brane boni tie party no atwen boni wei wo so de be di MPP nim mo fa video ni se ne no enu no jina mani kra me kama jina che no opa wanyi police arrest film na wanyi makoba prime film me kama jina che no panyina wanya sika ni trini fia wanwene party a wo ma party na mo adi ye enso atwen boni no de tie party no atwembone mutimi kan kire no ena MPP perform to wotimi dimu nyina matem no di party ni perform nyina tem including kofo timanya obi ani manima NDC fo asum fidie na mo de mompre ne som na na mbahunu sama mistake ya no me sida mo de Kenya pop be di MPP no sada no me sha NDC atare edaro na me twani NDC mo bahunu edaro na me twani NDC aye adwuma ma NDC party because you dimachi no kra mo papa mo fie NDC ba pa we o ma sese mo youth o mu ku social media so e bi tutu kwan e bi kwa America ba fa so bia ni MPP so yes odo ene Ghana ho donti ene ye di MPP achi fa so bia ni so ma ya youth na ye dimachi no mo so eni pa bi so kan Japan ya option Canada Japan ya option mo fo bi ni party na nim no obi nya nu se aba okoto e wonu no ho okoto aba ma the right person mo se kofa e dey say kosi enkosi koda nkwadaфо aba kosi enkosi koda nkwadaфо atwen boni nti NDC fo penkenya pon so onyi ba omi afiri wo atwen boni na mo so so no o chesika no what this and phone what your opposition mo nyiri sika ni na mo to abantiara mo manya soda no ogina ka se mama mo soda mo ma biem sensi mo amoto abana mo na mo koto mo to tiara ene sa ye mu bi no e be turn back to MPP amba wo se de e be se aka mo e be se dinatem mo de mo ko fa mra ye kura ba ba ye dwuma ma NDC de e be dinatem no e be ji mo sem
akoko 2 years ka e de ma omo a wadwen ye wo se obetimi abaye president no I'm telling you kona ko ji usika because me share unhum wi ase no untimi nye president that you are not born to be a president. You are born to just be a philanthropist. You are not born to be a president. You are not born to be a president. It's, you know, from what I saw, the only thing you can be is a philanthropist and a businessman, and that is what you are good at. You are very good at doing that. So when Abu Kennedy Akumpeko Japan, you have two options: either to resign or to keep quiet. Either to resign or to keep quiet. Either to resign or to keep quiet. And yes, Adia, tell your people they should control their emotions and feelings. We don't have you people your time anymore. We are concentrating on important things that are important. That is what we are concentrating on. We don't want to waste our time on you guys. It's Israel. Talk to your people. They should behave as normal human beings. What's up? We are begging you. We are begging you. With a beg. It's very, very, very important. It is very, very important. See, now I don't want to see any other thing happening again. Now, these people in that area, please stop doing those things. It's not going to help us. Nothing. He knows nothing about governing a country. It's very, very sad that people actually voted for this man. Because me so incompetent. I already knew that he is incompetent. But to the extent that he was able to convince people to vote for him, and then I'm a dream who I meant to say. And I'm a dream who I meant to say how he was able to convince people to go and vote for him. Today, he's been president for almost 11 good months and still nothing to show. Nothing to show. And you will see some fools. Now I'm going to say he deserves a third term. Deserve a third term. For doing what exactly? He deserves a third term for doing what exactly? Bro, let's be serious in this country for once. Let's be serious in this country for once and ask ourselves a very simple question. What has John Dramani Mahama? Why here and what say a man got third term? That's the question. This guy is just going around doing unnecessary stuffs and calls himself a president. You're not serious in this country. You are not serious. I'm telling you, if you are serious, John Dramani Mahama wouldn't be the president of the country. But because the citizens Nakasayajun form, that is why we are where we are today. Hi Ghana and Sam TV, Mami also have been to our comment section. What do you think? Do you think say Ampa John Dramani Mahama perform here and our performing? Your comment and your thoughts, my comment section. Na yɛmfa mboa yɛma bibia na nyɛ kama na kama nso I mean shrawo so nyanto kwase na wuti